Hello my friend, welcome to my channel. My name is Rakesh. So in this video I'm going to talk about how you can practice English at home. You can say if you are working, if you are a busy person, then how you can practice. So if you don't know about me, then I would like to introduce myself again. My name is Rakesh and I create English related video. So my friend, first of all, understand one thing. English is not a subject, it's a language. Okay, it's a language like Punjabi, Marathi, Hindi, okay, Spanish. Okay, so it's a language. So, first of all, don't consider it a subject. Okay, and another thing, if you consider it a subject, then it will be difficult for you to learn English. Okay, but if you consider it as a language, then it will be easy for you to learn English. Why I'm saying that? Because language always language is learned by practicing. Okay, so consider it as a language first. And now, what is the first step? If you really want to speak English, then what is the first step that you have to take? Okay, so the first step is, if you don't know about English, okay, but these days everyone know about little bit English. Okay, so you just have to practice every day. Okay, so the thing is that first make sure one thing, grammatically you should be perfect. Okay, means you should know about tense, like simple tense. You should know about passive, active voice, passive voice, and causative verb. These three things: tense, active voice, passive voice, causative verb. Okay, adjective, adverb. Okay, that is basic. Okay, so all these things can be used in English, in speaking English. Okay, so in if you know about sentence like tense, okay, then tense actually will help you to create sentence. Tense will help you to translate Hindi to English. Okay, if you know very well about tense, then it will help you in a first stage. It will help you to translate sentence, Hindi sentence to English. Okay, why I'm saying that? Because we all are born in a Hindi medium environment. Okay, so first, if you really want to start, then you have to translate Hindi to English. Okay, but if you know if you don't know about Hindi, if you know Marathi, okay, because if your mother tongue language is different, then start small sentence. Then start small sentence, translate them into English with the help of tense. Okay, so it will actually this kind of practice will help you to make sure that your tense will be perfect and you are perfect in tense. Okay, so when you will be confident about tense, that you everything know about tense, okay, then move on next step. Now study about active voice and passive voice. Okay, there are so many video, okay, in active voice, passive voice, okay, these days, but learn active voice and passive voice in a simple way. Okay, simple way and practically. Okay, situational. Okay, because situational English is very important. If you just like we actually we would actually study about active voice, passive voice, like in Hindi to English. Okay, so if I say in Hindi that टीचर द्वारा पढ़ाया जाता है. Okay, so we actually I was taught that I am taught by a teacher. Okay, but here if you don't want to mention by, then there is no need to mention by. I am taught. Okay, if you really want to show teacher, then you can say by teacher. Okay, so thing is that learn passive voice and active voice in a simple way. Okay, basic simple way. So start practically, practically and situationally. So start practice. Active and passive voice Hindi sentence translate into English sentence. Okay. So this practice will make you perfect in active voice and passive voice. Okay. Because until active voice and passive voice, whole active voice and passive voice will not in your mind properly, then you can't start practice. Okay. Then third, causative verb. causative verb, okay, so causative verb मीन्स लाइक जब हम किसी से काम करवाते हैं, खुद नहीं करते हैं, हम किसी और से करवाते हैं, दैट इज कॉल्ड causative verb. Causative verb. So causative verb is also very important in speaking. Okay, because if we have so many options like a causative verb, passive voice, and simple tense, then when at the time of speaking we can use anything. Okay, so we will not stuck by in that while speaking. We can use anything like if some kind of if I want to say something and the structure, yeah, you can say the sentence actually is not formed in my mind, then like in active voice and passive voice you can also say in causative verb. Okay, but there is different method. Okay, so three things: sentence, tense, active voice, passive voice, and causative verb. Okay, and now another thing: adjective, noun, pronoun, adverb, and verb. That is also very important. Okay, if you really want to, because these are all basic of English. Okay, means first step. If your foundation is strong, then you can easily take a next step. Okay, so that's why I'm saying first learn all these basic grammar. Now if you have, just imagine if you have learned everything basic. I'm not saying deep, no, you have to go in deep in grammar, just basic. So if you have learned everything basic of grammar, then now start speaking. But how? I will give you a roadmap how. Okay, so so first step of practice English. Okay, don't jump like no, don't jump fast like if you want to speak with some person, don't jump like this. Okay, just speak with yourself. That is the first step. Speak with yourself. अपने आप से बात करो. You know, when just imagine when we actually feel sad. Okay, when we feel sad, so sometimes we actually start talking with ourselves. Okay, in Hindi. Okay, same way you have to start practice in English. That is the first step with yourself. Like I will give you example. Okay, like you actually wake up at 7 o'clock. Example. So when you actually wake up, okay. So say, okay, I have woke up at 7 o'clock. Okay, you can say now I should get up from the bed because it's 7 o'clock. Now you can say okay, now I have to brush teeth. Okay, I'm going to washroom. Okay, when you come out, okay, then you can say like there are some situation. Okay, the situation is that you come out and there are in a home yard your family member is walking, okay, here and there. You can say, whoa, my family member is walking, I think I should say good morning to them. Okay, so you can just imagine, think. Okay, you have to think such kind of little sentence. Okay, then you can say okay, no problem, I'm going to washroom because I have to take bath quickly, otherwise I will get late. Okay, then go to washroom. So while you are taking bath, okay, so just in don't say like loud, don't say loud, just in mind, I'm taking bath, I'm pouring water on my head. Okay, I'm applying soap. Okay, I'm applying shampoo, I'm lathering. Okay, if you don't know about all these word, okay, don't don't worry. Okay, just use simple word. I'm applying. Okay, so if you also don't know about like how we can say apply, just write down. If you don't know, just write down. First, write down on your notebook what you want to say, how you can say. Okay, so that is the perfect way. Practice with yourself. I'm just talking about the beginner. If you're a beginner, okay, if you really want to speak, then practice yourself. That is very, very important. Okay, you can also practice in front of mirror. Mirror is also good. No, mirror is also a good thing. Then you can practice like you have to stand up in front of mirror and say, "Hey, my name is Rakesh. Hey, hello, my name is Rakesh. Okay, I can see myself in my mirror, my mirror. Okay, what are you saying? Do you think you are so smart? Yes, I'm so smart. Okay, that's very good. So you can practice like this first. Okay, okay, what do you think? My hair, is it good? You know? So you can say yes with yourself. You can say, yeah, my hair is so black and it's so good and shiny. Why this is so shiny? So you can say, yeah, because every day I use shampoo on my hair. Okay, so such kind of practice you have to start. Don't just practice only 5 minutes. Start only 5 minutes. If you can't stay in front of mirror 5 minutes, just stay 2 minutes. One day stay 2 minutes. Then after 3 and 4 days, increase the time. Stay 5 minutes. Just talk rough and tough in front of mirror. Hey, who are you? I'm Rakesh. What is your name? So you can also give another name to the characters. Okay, like your characters in front of mirror. Okay, what are you? Oh, how are you? What are you doing? Okay, so you can say, what all have you done since morning to evening? So there are so many things. If you really want to practice, okay, you can also, if you have, if you actually, if you don't have anything to say with yourself, you can say, okay, how many ears I have? I have 2 ears. How many nose I have? I have one nose. How many fingers I have? I have 5 fingers. Okay, okay, you can also say there are so many lines in my hair, in my palm. Okay, that is palm. Okay, you can say hand. If you don't know about palm, then you can say hand because you are a beginner. Okay, okay, my hair color is so black. Okay, and you can say I am right now I'm wearing hoodie. So such kind of practice you have to do. Okay, so that's all about this for the beginner. I'm just talking about if you really want to practice English, then this kind of method really help you. So thanks for watching this video. Please like, share, and subscribe, and follow me. And you can also, if you really want to boost your vocabulary, you can also watch my shorts video. Okay, my YouTube channel. So I hope you understood everything, and I hope you will start after watching my video. You will start practicing English after watching my video immediately. So thank you very much. Thanks for watching this video. Take care and stay healthy.